Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp date and time error. To know how to fix WhatsApp date and time error, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp like this. And when you will see this page, you will enter and you will click here for stop. After that, in this page, you will click storage. Then when you will see this list, this page, you will enter to clear cache, and then you will go to clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.